Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to delve into the question many businesses are asking, can I install solar panels on my industrial roof? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and save it. Feel free to leave your source or question in the comments below and I will reply as soon as possible. Now let's get started. Let's start by looking at the most common industrial roof types. First, metal roofs. If your building has a metal roof, especially a standing seam metal roof, that's one of the best scenarios for solar. Installers can clamp the solar mounts directly onto the seams. No drillings, no holes, and no leaks. It's clean, fast, and super reliable. Plus, metal roofs often last 40 years or more, so they generally outlive the solar system. Next, flat roofs. These are very common on warehouses and large commercial buildings. Solar works great on flat roofs as long as the panels are tilted. Installers use racking systems to lift the panels up and angle them so they get proper sunlight. Just avoid systems that lay the panels completely flat. You will lose a lot of energy production that way. Then we have tar and gravel roofs. These are older flat roofs, and yes, they also can support solar as long as the roof is in good condition. Installers can place rail-based racking on top that gives the panels the tilt they need. Just checking the roof's age first, since these typically last around 20 to 30 years. Now, let's talk about installation method. The first method is rail mounting. Rails are attached to the roof, and the solar panels are secured onto those rails. This method is extremely stable, flexible for layout planning, and allows the panels to be tilted for maximum production. It also lets installers work around obstacles like HVAC units or vents. Flat roofs almost always use this method. The second method is rail-less mounting. Instead of long rails, the panel attached directly to the roof with smaller mounts. This keeps the system lightweight and low profile, but there's a trade-off. You can adjust the tilt. So, this method is best for the roofs that already have a neutral slope, usually metal roofs. Before installing anything, there are a few very important things to confirm. First, structural strength. Solar panels are not extremely heavy, but across a large roof, the total weight does matter. Add wind and snow loads, and you definitely need a structural engineer to confirm the roof can support everything safely. Second, roof condition. If your roof is old or damaged, repair it before installing solar. You don't want to uninstall the whole solar system later just to fix a roof leak. Ideally, your roof should have a lifespan that matches the solar panels, around 25 to 30 years. Third, permits and regulations. You will need building permits, electrical permits, and compliance with local fire codes. Your utility company will also need to approve the grid connection. A professional installer usually handles this, but it's good to know upfront. Let's talk about the benefits, and honestly, this is why so many businesses are making this switch. First, energy cost savings. Industrial buildings use a lot of electricity, so even partial solar coverage can create huge savings. Over the lifetime of a solar system, the reduction in electricity bills can be massive. Second, government incentives. Many regions offer tax credits, rebates, or other financial incentives that reduce the cost of installation. These programs make solar one of the most cost-effective improvements for industrial sites. Third, environmental benefits. Solar lowers your carbon footprint and boosts your sustainability profile. For companies focused on ESG goals, solar helps demonstrate real progress. Now, here's where things get interesting. Some industrial roofs just aren't suitable for traditional glass solar panels. Maybe the roof can't hold much weight, or the surface is curved, or the building owner doesn't allow drillings. This is where flexible solar panels come in. A great example is the Sungold PA219 flexible solar panels. It's designed specifically for roof situations where traditional panel won't work. First, it's extremely lightweight. It weighs only about a third of what a traditional glass panel weighs. That makes it perfect for roofs with limited load-bearing capacity. Second, it can bend. Thanks to composite materials, the panel can flex without cracking. That makes it ideal for curved roofs or roofs with unusual shapes. Third, it's durable. It's built to resist bending strength, impacts, and foot traffic, things that often happen during industrial roof maintenance. Fourth, it meets strict fire safety standards. It complies with international fire certifications, which is essential for industrial buildings. Fifth, it resists long-term performance loss. It has strong PID resistance, meaning it maintains performance even in humid and high-voltage environments. Sixth, it works on all kinds of surfaces, flat, curved, lightweight membranes, even vehicles or boats. It's one of the most versatile solar solutions available. And finally, it comes with the certification and warranty support, giving businesses confidence in long-term performance. So, can you install solar panels on an industrial roof? Absolutely yes. The real question is which solar setup works best for your specific roof. Metal roof, flat roof, gravel roof, curved roof, there's almost always a solution. And with flexible solar panels available, even roofs that used to be unsuitable can go on solar. Solar helps reduce energy bills, improve sustainability, and prepare your facility for the future. It's one of the smartest long-term investments an industrial building can make. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this type of content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We will regularly post more information and content about solar products. See you next time!